McCann Industries is your source for light equipment. We have generators, walk-behind saws, pumps, and more in stock and job ready. What does job ready mean? It means our equipment is assembled and prepped by a local 150 mechanic. All you have to do is show up on the job site. Next time you're in one of our showrooms and see a blue tag, that means it's ready for you. We know equipment's hard to come by. Stop by one of our 10 locations to see what we have in stock. To find a location near you, visit McCannonline.com.